this demonstration of Saga Connect. Saga Connect is our interactive online tutoring platform. It includes audio and video conferencing capability, a collaborative whiteboard, and a variety of interactive tools that can be utilized in Saga's built-in curriculum. Additionally, we have a suite of built-in administrative features that enable you to effectively manage your tutoring program. I'm super excited to show you around, so let's dive in, starting with what a student experiences on this powerful tool for learning. When students log into Saga Connect, they will automatically be taken to their tutorial session. Tutorials typically begin in the Huddle space. Here, tutors can warmly greet their students and check in about how they're feeling or how their day is going before jumping into the heart of the session. When it's time to dive into the academics, students transition to their individual workspaces where they can utilize a suite of built-in tools to do and show their work. While each student has their own workspace, tutors can see all of the students' spaces at the same time. From here, tutors have a real-time view of what their students are working on and can choose to join a student workspace to take a closer look or provide feedback. Once a tutor has joined a workspace, they have the ability to either initiate a private conversation with the student or bring all the students together to work collaboratively. This level of flexibility allows for the tutorial to flow between periods of independent work and collaboration. We've also added additional activities that tutors can do with their students by clicking on the activities icon. Tutors can play math games like equivalent cards, which help students build fluency with algebraic expressions, connect the drops, which is a ratio game, and other fact fluency games. Now, let's explore our administrative dashboard, where you as an administrator can manage rosters, schedule tutorial sessions, and access AI-driven tools for coaching. On the left panel, you can select the site you'd like to manage and see a list of all users associated with your program. We're currently on the Dashboard tab, which gives a real-time snapshot of all current tutorial sessions. The next two tabs are the tutor and student rosters. Administrators have the ability to create new accounts, edit account information, and manage tutor-student pairings. The next tab is Sessions, where you can go to either create new sessions on behalf of your tutors or to host your own tutorials. Here, you can see current sessions available to observe, edit upcoming sessions, and review recordings and data for past sessions. For each tutorial, we provide a recording with a transcript and timeline with AI insights that can be used for coaching and support. The Observations tab provides an additional layer of AI-driven coaching tools. By selecting a tutor and observation focus, you can see AI insights and trends. There's so much more to explore inside of Saga Connect, and we'd love to share more and explore a partnership with you in your tutoring program. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day!